Hello, I'm Henry.
And I'm Alfie.
We're Year 10 students at Medway UTC. The school specialises in engineering, construction and design.
And we're going to show you through our day.
Comfy time?
It's nothing like a normal form time that you find in other schools. It's a bit more business-like. It gets us ready for the real world.
Hello, my name's Matthew. A typical work day in Medway UTC starts with more academic subjects and more hands-on subjects in the afternoon, such as engineering and construction, which helps us get through the longer day.
Jet glimmers with some streaks of day, now spurs the lated traveller apace. We're in top tech science at the moment, and we just started our topic 3 for physics.
So I came to the UTC because it's more of a working environment day, so it's more 8:30 till 5, and I think that's good because it shows you what it's going to be like in the real life world. So.
I came to UTC because I wanted to get a better career in engineering. I thought it would set me up better for my future. I thought if everyone's going to a career of engineering, UTC's got the links with BAE. It takes you out to do trips with BAE and Delphi, and it takes you to University of Greenwich, so I thought it would be better than conventional sixth form. The project at the minute, we've got to design a cockpit for a new fighter jet, and we're going to present that to BAE, and we've got our own email set up, and then we forward our plans, and we keep logs of what we do on different days, and then we forward that to BAE, and then we get feedback on that, and we treat it as if we are BAE and BAE are our customer.
We've been going over certain aspects of the cockpit to try and find an efficient, cost-effective and usable solution to the specification that we've been provided by BAE. And we are about to call them up and have a general overview on what needs to be done, what has happened and what they're happy with.
I'm Henry Hobbs, and I am calling on behalf of Innovative Technology to discuss our progress on the configuration of the F-36 Black Sabre cockpit.
Okay, thank you. I've got Bruce, the sales director from Ion Avionics, and I've got Sam, the technical director as well with me, so if you'd like to start, that'd be great.
So after here we're designing a new way to transport oil, aka using marble. So we need to use towers and pillars, and we're going to try and slide all the marbles down in the quickest time.
The teachers are different here because they're more visual. They have a lot more ways of thinking about different things than the conventional ways that you'll find in normal sixth form. So compared to my old school, they sort of give you one way to sort of work something out in maths, but here they give me 5 different ways of working it out, which sort of helps me choose which one I think is more suited to me, so I can be more successful.
I think they also give you a lot more freedom. Like with our engineering, if there's a reason, say, okay, I was off last week because I was ill, you go, yeah, okay, that's fine, there's an extension. If you need help, you can come to me during this is when I'm free. And I think you have a lot more control over your own learning.
Also being treated a lot more grown up compared to where we was before, because this is run more as a business I feel that it is more independent study, and even when we're in lessons and stuff, it's down to us to complete our work. It's not down to anybody else to do it. We're not being spoon-fed.
I was a bit nervous coming to UTC because I came from an all-girls school, so I was constantly surrounded by girls. Whereas when I came here, it was a lot of boys, so I was a bit nervous, but then I realised there was a lot of girls and it kind of fit well.
If I was to give advice to girls coming to the UTC, I would say not to worry, because everybody's really nice here. I think it's important that women do STEM subjects because there's a lack of women in the industry right now, and I think it's going to be easier to get jobs in this subject because we are women, and often employers do want to make their numbers equal. So yeah.
We're in engineering and we learn about different types of engineering.
At the moment we're just copying off the board, and then we will be going outside to see how the drill drift works.
My name's Lorcan, and we are in the resistant materials class where we are making boxes using cone and figure joints.
We're currently in our enrichment session, that's from 4 PM till 5 PM, and we're doing SSC Bloodhound, trying to get the car up to 550 miles an hour to beat a world record. We've got state-of-the-art facilities and access to materials that other schools wouldn't.
We love our weeks here.
Yeah.
The days are fun, enjoyable. I mean, yes, hours are obviously longer, but I think I speak for everyone when I say that we're coping, and we hope you've enjoyed our day.